Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make truffles easy. First, combine 1 cup of heavy cream and 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate, finely chopped. Heat the cream gently until it just begins to simmer, then pour it directly over the chocolate. Let this mixture rest for about 5 minutes, allowing the chocolate to melt completely. Then, stir it slowly until it becomes a smooth, glossy, and irresistible ganache. This forms the perfect foundation for your delicious truffles. Once your ganache is ready, it needs to firm up. Chill the mixture in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to easily scoop. Using a small spoon or a 1-inch cookie scoop, portion out even amounts of the chilled ganache. Work quickly, as the warmth from your hands can melt the chocolate. Gently roll each portion between your palms to create perfectly round truffle balls. This step is quick and satisfying, bringing you closer to your final treat. Now for the fun part, coating your truffles. For a timeless look, simply roll your truffle balls in unsweetened cocoa powder. If you prefer a crispier exterior, dip them into melted and tempered chocolate. You can also get creative with various toppings. Try rolling them in finely crushed nuts, toasted shredded coconut, or colorful sprinkles. Each coating adds a unique texture and flavor, making every bite a delightful surprise. Choose your favorites or mix, and match for an impressive assortment. Proper storage ensures your homemade truffles stay fresh and delicious. Keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will maintain their quality and taste for up to 2 weeks, making them perfect for gifting or enjoying over time. For the best flavor and texture, let your truffles sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes before serving. This allows the chocolate to soften slightly, enhancing its rich, creamy consistency. Enjoy your easy, homemade gourmet treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.